This is the perfect meditation to make the person on your mind think about you non-stop and put you first. Make them love you and fully committed and devoted to you. There will be no situationship and no more third parties after listening to this. Now let's begin. They have been thinking about me all day long. I plant myself in their mind right now. We are soulmates. We are twin flames. We are each other's half. Our love is written in the stars. They constantly think about me now. They obsessively think about me now. They text me how much they are thinking about me now. They always think about me constantly and obsessively now. I am in their mind every day, all the time, every second of their life now. They are so obsessed about me that they have to do something about it now. They obsessively give me all of their attention now. They obsess over me every time they think of me. They choose me over everyone every time. They will never ever love anyone like me. They will never ever be in love or fall in love with anyone like they did with me, because I am the only exception. They won't ever let me go. I'm the best they will ever have, and they know it. I am the only one they love with all their heart. I am the only one they lust for at night and during the day. I am the only one who they have faith in. They loved me ever since they met me. They need me so bad right now. They treat me like I am the only person they love and will ever love in their life now. They nonstop think about me during whatever they are doing now. They think about me so much that they are only focusing on me. They are so into me and obsessively wanting me around now. They give me all their attention like I am a goddess, and this is all they have to do now. They go crazy thinking about me. They tell me that they have been thinking about me now. I am in their mind now. I am the trophy that they want so desperately. I am the prize that they want so obsessively. I am one of a kind, and they know that. They will never ever find someone like me again. They always beg to be with me. I am a miracle in their life, and they know it. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, I am in their mind now, to affirm. You will manifest unmistakable results into your reality with every listen to this meditation. Subscribe for more content like this, and if you need help manifesting love, book for me to manifest for you by clicking the link down below or by heading to joybyjanell.com. Thank you for watching, and click on this next meditation for more.